Let's talk about Bigbear.ai Holdings, ticker symbol BBAI, a technology company specializing in AI-powered analytics and cyber solutions. As of late June 2025, BBAI is trading around $4.80, with a 52-week range between $1.17 and $10.36, showing significant volatility over the past year. Bigbear.ai has seen impressive growth, with a one-year return of over 277%, driven by strong demand for AI and data analytic services. However, the company is still reporting losses, with an earnings per share of about -84 and a negative profit margin near -144%, reflecting ongoing investments in growth and technology development. For traders interested in BBAI stock, here's some key strategies. First, focus on the stock's volatility. Daily price swings can be large, with intraday highs recently around $5.70 and lows near $4.72. This volatility creates opportunities for short-term trades, but also requires careful risk management. Second, watch technical indicators and support/resistance levels. The recent trading range between roughly $4.50 and $5.80 can serve as important zones to enter or exit positions. Buying near support and taking profits near resistance can help optimize returns. Third, keep an eye on news and earnings updates. Bigbear.ai's growth depends heavily on expanding its AI analytics platform and securing government and commercial contracts. Positive developments or contract wins can trigger sharp price moves. Fourth, consider the broader AI and technology sector trends. BBAI benefits from the rising demand for AI-driven analytics, but it also faces competition and market sentiment shifts that can impact its stock price. Finally, note that analyst sentiment is generally positive, with about 72% recommending a buy, though the average price target is close to the current price, suggesting limited near-term upside according to some forecasts. In summary, BBAI is a high-growth but volatile AI tech stock. Trading strategies should combine technical analysis of price levels, monitoring of company news, and awareness of sector trends to navigate its price swings effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more stock insights and trading strategies. Happy trading!